So, question is, does it actually fit? Now we've got the prototype there. Done the business. Right. So the idea is that sits in on that sill where the original transfer box would have been. Everything meets up. Absolutely perfect. Pop the seal in there for the new drive shaft cup. Whack that in a sec. Throw a couple of bolts in there. I didn't give much tolerance, so that's beautiful. Screw some of these in. Lovely. Right. Now the new cup. Pop into that. Beautiful. So all that fits. Got no issues there. Next hurdle. Printed up a little adapter here, so the original mount all bolts up here. So my idea is this little mount adapter can bolt on there. This is just a prototype and it hits on the shifter a little bit. So I'm going to need to move it back this way and then make the additional one to go on the chassis side to move it over the same amount. But doing it that way, you can run an original gearbox mount to the car. There's no funny business, just adapters. Weirdly, it does sit at an angle, so when I said in the other video that this will probably be better for the CAD and CAM side of things, I'm going to have some interest in work holding and tool paths on that, so I thought I'd save all the good stuff for that. So I'll leave it there. Everything fits. Everything's absolutely perfect. So you can move on to doing that one, and then a dog bone melt underneath, make a new one of that. I might need to do some polyurethane casting for that, but all interesting stuff.